Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reset or adjust paper money balance in ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, we go right here to activity and positions, and then make sure also that on account ID that you are using right here an account, not all accounts like this, because then you won't see right here the adjust icon. But if you select right here one account, you see right here that we now can adjust. So if you click right here on adjust, and then he is asking us margin IRA or portfolio margin. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. We want to do margin. And then right here, we click on this. And now we can select right here how much money we want to set on this account. So let's do this one. Then we do apply. And right now, if you can see, we just add some money to our account. So this is how you can reset or adjust paper money to your account. If you want to reset it to the normal settings, you click right here on this and then you do default and then do apply. And then it's back at default. So this is how you can do this. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.